So the important part of this question is the fact that the length of the rectangle, let's call it L, is 60 meters more than the width. So if I add 60 meters to the width, which I'll call W, these two should equal. And we know the area, right? The area of the rectangle is going to be 6,496 meters squared. And that's going to be length times width if it's a rectangular maze, right? And that's going to be just, right? Length is W plus 60. So W plus 60 times the width. So these two parts, right? If I expand this, that I get W squared plus 60W. Move this to the other side and I get minus 6,496. Okay. But we can factor this, right? W squared, this 1 in front is just 1. And here, if I choose 116 and negative 56, right? If I multiply these two, I end up getting this. Multiplying these two and adding it with these two, you get 60. Right? So that means I can factor going across like this. So I get W plus 116 and W minus 56. Right? And this is equal to 0 if this or this is 0. So we get 56 or negative 116. But the width cannot be negative, so this is our solution. So if the width is 56, this tells me then the length is going to be 56 plus 60. Right? So that's going to be just 116. Okay, so then we have this to be our dimensions. Of course, they're in meters.